Alrighty, today is day 12. We're gonna talk about day 11 and day 12 since I got no footage for day 11. Day 11, man, my energy source was so it's at the ground. Like I could barely get out the bed. So yesterday I carved up. I was 279 by that morning. Uh, yeah, it was 279. I carved up yesterday because I needed the extra source of energy. And today I'm down to 278.8. Um, yeah, man. When you lacking those carbs, it kills your energy. Shoot, I'm just gonna have to drink some more coffee, some more caffeine, some more water to try to stay hydrated. I'm gonna get some electrolytes, probably get like some Pedialyte or something like that to keep me hydrated and to keep my energy high because yesterday I still ended up getting out, but I was so tired.
So we're on day 14, but I didn't record day 13. Day 13, my energy level was so low. I think I was 277.6. And I didn't even get a good workout in yesterday. I showed up, I went, but my energy levels were so low. This is day 14 now, and my levels are even lower. Like, I suppose I already got up, did my yoga, but my energy levels are, I think I'm in too much of a deficit, but man, I'm pushing through, man. Like, I'm getting through it, but we're gonna see what the end result is. We got a couple more weeks. We're down to 277.4. I think I'm less than that, but I haven't, released it, if you get what I'm saying. But we're getting through it, man. We pushing through it. Let's keep going.
All right, guys, we on day 16. Today is October 16th, 2025. But I did not record a video for day 15, October 15th, 2025. This challenge is getting brutal. Yesterday, I was 275.6. That would have been over 10 pounds since the day of the challenge. And on officially October 16th, 2025, I am 274.6. I did get off somewhere in the challenge. I don't know. I guess one day I didn't either measure or take a picture somewhere, but I kind of I lost track of my days. I don't know how when I started from the first, but somehow I did. But man, 16 days, it has been rough. Today I went to the gym and I did some cardio. I burnt active calorie wise over nearly 1,200 calories. If my heart rate kept going, probably burnt up way over the 1175 that he said I did. But man, I had to do me a cheat day today. I carved up because my energy was just too low. Like yesterday, I could not get to bed. Today was the same thing. It's just getting too. It is very challenging. Um, so I ate some Captain D's today. I know it's not the healthiest carb up, but I had to give myself a little cheat day. So that's the only meal I ate today. Well, I ate four the fried codfishes, some fries, some macaroni and cheese, and like five fried shrimp. So that's probably like around nearly 2,000 calories. I probably burnt if my heart rate kept going nearly 1,300 calories. Subtracted from whatever that was between. It's probably like close to at max 700 calories for the day. I'm drinking me a protein shake before bed, some coffee to get my energy up. But that's where I am right now, man. We getting there. I can tell my face is getting slimmer and stuff like that. But I'm doing it. I'm doing it for y'all, basically. We gonna revamp and get our muscle mass back because we have lost a good amount. We gonna get it back. But I will say this has not affected my lifts in the gym as bad as I thought it would. But we're not in day 30 yet, so let's keep going. Let's keep the vibes up, man. Let's go. All right, today is October 19th, 2025. We are on day 19. We're going to talk about day 18 and 19. On day 18, I woke up at 273.4. Clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. That would have been like 12 total scale pounds off. I was really happy about that. I did do a full a real cheat day for myself yesterday. I ate some quesadillas from Chili's, and then I ate some Panda Express. Got some protein in, got some carbs, and day 19, which is today, October 19th. I went up to 274.6 this morning. So about a little bit over 11 right now. We're gonna see how much we can lose overall in the month. Like I said, I'm not doing this to totally take myself out. I just want to see how much weight I can lose in a month. If I can lose 30, that's good. If I don't get to complete 30, that's also great. I'm still on my journey of working out. I will say where I see a big difference is right now is my face has slimmed down. I do notice that my shoulders as well. I notice a difference in that area. And my stomach gets a little bit less as well. It's a journey. I will say that. Let's make it fun. When you are working out and while you're on your fitness journey, start doing things like challenge yourself, make it fun. I'm not saying don't do things that are harming yourself. And I'm definitely not recommending like hard challenges when you are first get into fitness. But if you have worked out before, you have built muscle, got off because of whatever happened, if you are used to working out, used to training, start making stuff fun. I always make things like one way, um, because it started getting boring to me. So I always like to push myself to some type of limit, see what I can do, see how far I can go, and then I want to see what the next one gonna bring. So we're gonna see where I wake up at tomorrow. Today I didn't really eat much carbs, probably like 30 grams total. So we're gonna see where I wake up at tomorrow. Um, and that's where we're really at. I'm anticipating probably like 274, 273.8, something like that tomorrow. And then we're gonna see where we end a month at overall. So let's keep going. We It's nighttime now, so I got 10 more total days of this. Let's keep pushing forward. All right, guys, we on day 20. Let's clap it up, clap it up, clap it up. I ain't got too much to say. I feel wonderful. I feel great since I carved up them days. Today I woke up at I believe 275.6 or something like that. So for the rest of these 10 days, we're gonna do keto all the way. We're just gonna go straight, we're gonna go all the way keto, see where that gets me in the next 10 days, and then end it right there and head to the next challenge. Man, this has been a journey. I have been through ups and downs and turnarounds through these 20 days, but I'm ready to get through these next 10 days and wrap it up and move on to the next thing. Hope y'all have been subscribing and following the journey because we're going forward this fitness forever with me. Let's get it.